Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung 32GB DDR5 5600MHz RAM module. This isn't just any memory stick, it's a powerhouse designed to breathe new life into your desktop PC. This particular module boasts a capacity of 32 GB, operating at a blazing fast 5600 MHz. It adheres to the PC 5-44800 standard, also known as PC 5-5600B, ensuring top-tier performance for demanding applications and games. The CL46 latency might raise an eyebrow for some enthusiasts, but in real-world scenarios, the sheer speed and capacity of this DDR5 module more than compensate. It's a 288-pin DDR5 DMM, so make sure your motherboard supports this new standard before considering the upgrade. This module is a non-ECC unbuffered DMM, UDIM, configured as 2RX8, meaning it's a dual-rank module. This dual-rank design can offer performance advantages in certain workloads compared to single-rank modules, allowing for more efficient data access. Operating at the JEDEC standard 1.1V, it strikes a good balance between performance and power efficiency. This is crucial for maintaining stable system operation and preventing overheating, especially in compact PC builds. The compatibility is key here. This Samsung DDR5 RAM is specifically designed for select DDR5 desktop PCs. It's not compatible with laptop computers, so double-check your system's specifications before purchasing. The benefits of upgrading to a module like this are significant. More RAM translates to smoother multitasking, faster loading times, and an overall snappier computing experience. If you're a gamer, you'll appreciate the increased headroom for running demanding titles at higher settings. Content creators will find that editing videos, rendering 3D models, and working with large datasets becomes significantly more efficient. Samsung's reputation for quality and reliability precedes them, and this DDR5 RAM module is no exception. While the specific part number may vary, M323R4GA3OCWM, M323R4GA3POCWM, M323R4GA3BOCWM, or an equivalent, rest assured that you're getting a genuine Samsung product with identical specifications and performance. In conclusion, the Samsung 32GB DDR5 5600 MHz RAM is a solid choice for anyone looking to boost their desktop PC's performance. Its high capacity, fast speed, and dual-rank design make it well-suited for a wide range of demanding tasks. Just be sure to check compatibility with your motherboard before making the leap.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.